I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you're looking for a super powerful and effective surface cleaner, then you have to check out this one from CleanSmart. This daily surface cleaner, I literally use all the time in our house. This surface cleaner is great because it can be used on any non-porous surface. So I use it everywhere from the kitchen to our bathrooms to our door handles. Anytime I really want to make sure that something is clean, I break out this cleaner. I love that I have the option to spray it on and let it go where it just dries on the surface, or I can also spray it and wipe it off if I need to also. So I wanted to make sure when all that nasty stuff starts floating around that we were able to clean our surfaces with something that I trusted. This cleaner, once you spray it, just breaks down into a saline solution eventually. So I oftentimes just let it soak right up and dry up, especially on our handles. I really like the convenience of that because sometimes if I spray it, I do forget to wipe it down. So I know that even if I wipe it or if I let it sit, the surface gets cleaned. This surface cleaner has a very mild scent. I don't even know if you would consider it a scent, but to me, it just smells clean. When I spray it on our countertops, I really just smell like the area feels fresh and clean again. So if you're looking for a simple, effective, and great way to clean your home, I would definitely check out this surface cleaner from CleanSmart. But that's just my point of view.